This is the grip control installation video for the IWI MSD. Before we work on any gun, it's important to make sure that the gun is totally safe. So first thing we're going to do is let's drop the magazine. We're going to rack the slide 3 times and lock the gun back. Visually check the chamber, make sure it's clear. Gun is safe and ready to be worked on. To install the grip control, we need to lock the slide back. Then we're going to rotate the slide lock clockwise to the down position until it can't move any further. Now we're going to release the slide, and then we need to pull the trigger in a safe direction. The slide will come right off. We need to set that aside. We're not going to use that. Now the slide lock will come straight out. The trigger assembly has a little pressure on the slide lock, so I'm going to press on that trigger assembly housing, and I'm going to wiggle the slide lock back and forth, and it's just going to pop right out of there. And you can see from the hole in there that that puts actually pressure keeping that slide lock in its place. So now when we install the grip control, we're going to squeeze it together. So we got a nice hole there for the grip control to go right in, and it'll go right on through all the way back and seat in the hole in the back side of the frame. And I'm just going to rotate it around clockwise, and I'm going to find a little spot where it's just going to click in like it did right there. So now it's in place. Now I'm going to leave it in the up position, and I'm going to return the slide to the frame. I'm going to lock it back and then rotate the grip control to the front and release the slide, and now the grip control is now installed. To remove the grip control, we're going to do the exact same procedure. So we're going to lock the slide back, we're going to rotate the grip control clockwise to its up position, release the slide, pull the trigger in a safe direction, slide will come right off. We're going to put pressure on the trigger assembly, wiggle it back and forth, and it should come right out. Take the original slide lock, place it in the hole, push it all the way to the back side, keep a little pressure on that trigger assembly, and push it back and forth till it snaps. You heard that snap? Let's try it again. Back and forth till it snaps. It usually snaps twice. And then it's now in place, ready to go. Take the slide, put it back on the frame, lock it back, release the side lock, release the slide. Grip control now removed.